Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW, guys, any BMW, let's say such as 1 Series, 2, 3, 5, 6 Series, guys, X3, X5, Z3, Z4, guys, and you're trying to test the solenoids for your transmission without removing them to see if they're opening or closing. We'll show you guys how to do that. Super simple, without removing the transmission or the transmission pan, and we'll show you how to do that with the special equipment, guys. Everything that we use will be listed in the description of the video for your convenience. Check it out. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on any car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you how we're going to test the transmission shifting solenoids on this BMW E46 3 Series, but it will be the same for pretty much any guys BMW. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the computer that we'll be using. Okay, it comes with a programming device, a wireless device that you connect guys to actually the OBD port of your car. Okay, any BMW, guys, and this thing works not just on BMW. Let me just show you quick. You can do diagnostics pretty much like dealer level equipment diagnostics, guys, for these makes. You can program computers. It's amazing, I'm telling you. That thing is definitely worth the money. Let me show you guys what you can do with it. Okay, just a few makes that it supports here. Now I'll go back to BMW, click BMW here. Next we're going to turn, okay, our ignition on like that. I'll click automatic selection. Now we're going to enter our VIN number quick, and I want to show you guys. Okay, it's going to give us which car we have and all that. You have to confirm to make sure you didn't enter the wrong VIN number, and it will be pretty simple now to test the solenoids. It just takes a couple minutes to test everything. Now this thing, guys, if you have it, it saves you so much time. More time you save, you have more time to fix cars, right? Or more time for yourself. So definitely good equipment, guys, that it can pay itself off in a few times only. We'll click control unit. They have a lesser expensive version that can do quite a bit of that stuff. That is a little bit less expensive with maybe a few functions that is not supported in this one, a few less, but still pretty good. We'll click drive. Now we need to select your transmission computer. SMGs for the M3, guys. We have the 5 HP. If you don't know which transmission you have, it's usually you can decode it and you can find it out, or you can, guys, go underneath the vehicle and there is a label on the side of the transmission that says which one you have. Now we're going to go click active test and we'll select component activation right here. And those are the different solenoids. Now I'm going to show you guys how we're going to test each one of them. I'll try to be super quiet from that point on because it's very minimal amount of clicking that will be involved. Now the transmission is right behind the front wheels usually. So what I'll do now, guys, okay, I'm going to activate each of the solenoid and I want you to listen for that click. When you activate it, it will click, and deactivate it, it will click again. So listen now. So definitely, guys, you're going to hear your solenoids clicking, okay? And if I go back, I click on another solenoid, you can check all of them that way. You will hear clicking again. Okay, listen now. So definitely, guys, a working solenoid there as well. Otherwise, if they're not working, guys, you will hear absolutely no click. The solenoid will be not moving, and as a result, you know it's a bad solenoid. You can check each one of them that way. So that's how you guys do it on BMW. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. And if you guys have any questions, just don't hesitate to leave a comment. We'll do our best, okay, to answer your questions. Also, you can go under live that and you can even see more transmission functions and things like that. Okay, different, okay, the different solenoids and all that stuff while you're driving. You can see if they're working or not. You can see solenoid 2 active, not active. So while you're driving your vehicle, you can check if they're working or they're not and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.